You will like the rainbow, yes.
It's rainbow. Look at there's orange. Stop it. Stop. Ew. Oh my god. Are we moving? Stop.
You're fine. It's going to go on top too, so don't worry about it.
Wow. I'm never doing this again. I feel like it's gonna fit my face. It's shaking. It's like a fucking earthquake in my car. This is not funny. Stop. Stop. It's an earthquake in my car. I still can't breathe. Ew, look at all the dirt coming down. That's so disgusting. You should have took a before picture of the car. Oh, hell no! What, are we in a freaking ride or something? Is it moving? The
No.
car's moving, yes it is. Oh my
We're
God, the
not
car's
moving. We're not
Yes,
moving. No, we're not.
I'm glad you think this is funny. This is horrible. No wonder you wanted to do this. No wonder you said you were going to pay for the damn car wash because you wanted to do this to torture me. And that shit's coming back. I'm like my foot's still on the brake. And the hers are parked. Everybody's getting their car washed. Turn it off.
It's not done yet.
How do you know when it's done?
He'll give you a green light.
See, it is moving.
We're not moving.
Yes, we are. Then why does it feel like we're moving?
Because the thing is moving. It's fine.
Do they dry it too?
Yeah.
Why